Assalaamualaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, Sidra Institute is pleased to launch its upcoming course, Mastering Tarkeeb, an advanced course in classical Arabic grammar. This course offers a structured, step-by-step approach to mastering Tarkeeb. The special features of this course include over 1,000 grammatical constructs from the Holy Qur'an, comprehensive sentence breakdowns, visual PowerPoint supported lessons, gradual progression from basic to advanced levels, summary reviews to consolidate learning, practical tarkeeb of the final chapters of the Holy Qur'an. Key topics include definitions and positions of Musnad and Musnad Ilayh, the implications of Jaar wa Majroor prepositional phrases, 40 plus forms, each of Mubtada, Khabar, Fa'il, Maf'ool, etc. The 5 types of Maf'ools, i.e. Mafa'il khamsa, Inna and its correlated words, Kaana and its correlated words, circumstantial phrases, Haal and its various forms, Mausoof Sifah, described noun and adjective and its various forms, Tamyiz, distinguishing noun and its various forms, subordinate structures, i.e. Tarkeeb, Na'at, Badal, Atfu Bayan, Ma'tuf. One thing to note here, concepts will be taught in a systematic and interconnected way and not in isolation. Inshallah, you'll build a deep, practical understanding of Arabic grammar through Tarkeeb. Inshallah, to register and enroll, visit www.sidrainstitute.com.